In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll start by opening the Squarespace website creation page. This is the main entry point where you can sign into your account or start a free trial if you're new. Using a desktop browser will make the interface clearer, and keeping a second tab open is helpful if you want to reference your site while you work. Once you're on the Squarespace start page and signed in, look for the link that takes you to your account dashboard. It typically appears in the top navigation after login. Clicking it brings you to the account area where all your sites, subscriptions, and settings live. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're looking at the correct one before continuing. Inside the account area, choose the website option. This opens your site management view. From here, click into the specific website you want to edit. You'll land in the site editor, where the left-hand sidebar controls most of your structure and content. Next, open the Pages panel. This is where you organize your site's navigation and access each page's content. Find the page where you want to place your new section. Many people like to add a team section to the About page or the Home page, but pick whatever fits your layout. Enter editing mode on that page. In the visual editor, hover near the area where you want the new section to appear and choose to edit the content region. You'll see insertion points appear between existing sections and blocks. Add a new block at the exact spot you want the content to go. When the block picker opens, use the search bar and start typing code. This filters the options so you can quickly find the code block. The code block is ideal for custom HTML and inline CSS, and it's the cleanest way to build a fully custom Meet the Team layout without switching templates. Select the code block, then paste your prepared code to create a Meet the Team section. A simple structure often includes a container, a grid or flex layout for team cards, and elements for each person's image, name, role, and a short bio. Replace any placeholders with your real content and image links. If you're customizing styles, inline CSS inside a style tag will keep everything scoped to this section. Keep scripts out of the code block and avoid sensitive or third-party snippets you don't trust. When the code renders, review spacing, fonts, and responsiveness. Tweak classes, gaps, and image sizes so it matches your site's look and reads well on mobile. That's it. You've added a custom Meet the Team section through Squarespace's editor and account dashboard.